this girl. Hey, this girl. Just tell that, well, thank you. What did you go to church today? No wonder. I was just like, this morning when I opened your door, like my door, I checked. I saw your slipper. Like maybe she will come. Why did you come today?
Nothing. No, I was just resting.
You're just resting. Use your rest made you miss something today. Hey,
Gist me. What did the pastor teach you guys at church today?
the pastor says, I'm telling you about gist, and you miss something. Leave that one after. I will check my.
Gist in
After check online, you will check online and you will see the.
Okay.
My dear, your friend boss. That gets possessed too.
Ha.
She's serious. I say her. She's possessed. Do you know that today? One pastor that just came, that pastor's name, Pastor Moses. I just lay hand on her. See, boss. She just break chair. Everybody, even the usher, cannot even hold her.
Is that what you went to church to do today?
It's not part of the thing. Wait, says she just went, just breaking the chair, breaking. But like, hey, this girl that comes to visit my neighbor. Hey, I said this one, I must tell Ada. Hey, you must know. Please, be careful of that girl.
Okay.
She's possessed. Hey. Anyway, when you are true, I'm off this. Okay. No church. That's true. I didn't in church today. Why?
I was resting. No.
You were resting.
Yes.
And Auntie Rachel did not come and call you this morning.
She did not though.
Why would she not come and call you?
She said she saw my door open, so she didn't knock.
Come here, I always live very, very fine, my darling. You missed this new pastor that they brought, Pastor Moses.
I trust you.
Oh my God, that guy is so filled with the knowledge. All he was telling us today was about how to plan, how to make our way right with God, plan for your business, plan for many things. He just kept talking about.
And Sister Rachel just came back with only gist. She didn't even gist me about. She was just telling me about Bosse who fell down, this anointing.
The man after the gist, he prayed and Bosse, but is that the only thing she can give you?
She said she could not remember. That will be watching it online. It
is her that Christ talked about in Matthew 7:22-26. When he said, when he will call me Lord on the last day, I will say, I know them not. And if those who hear this word of mine does not use the word, they will be like the foolish people that build their house on the sand and the house collapse. But when you hear the word of God and you do it, you will be like the wise man. So everything, how many hours we spent today in church, there's nothing she came back with. No wonder I was like, wait, I was like, please, wait for me. She said no problem. Next time I just turned. I couldn't even see her. I mean, she was really running around to come and tell you how your friend was playing today in church.
I trust you. You learned a lot.
Ade, don't worry. If you come outside and meet me, I'll tell you, or just check online. This guy is good. Take care.